Even though December has only begun, it appears like Christmas will be arriving early for Shiba Inu and its owners because the Shiba Inu tokens have already begun to exhibit some extremely intriguing symptoms. Keep watching till the final disclaimer because yes, more than one Shiba Inu token is discussed in this video, with a particularly impressive burn rate for Shiba. The Shiba Inu's week got off to a great start. Shiba holders burned enough tokens during the past day to increase the pace of burns by an astounding 353s. A total of 37 million Shiba tokens, nearly 5 times as many as the 8 million tokens burned the day before, were submitted to the burn wallet. Santa did indeed arrive early. To put things even more into perspective, over 126 million tokens were burned over the course of the previous week, which is rather impressive but insufficient to move the price of Shiba in the direction we want it to. However, the community could fare far better than it did the previous week with a 37 million Shiba burn in a single day. If it can burn this many tokens each day for the remainder of the week, the community would only need to utilize the number of burn avenues that are already accessible for this to be possible. Remember that you can burn your tokens by sending them directly to the burn wallet via various methods like Travis Johnson's Amazon trick, or by buying from companies who provide this service. Having stated that this is not investment advice, you should decide how to use your tokens on your own. I won't advise you what to do. Despite this, some claim that Shiba is collapsing and whales are selling. However, the data reveals that the richest cryptocurrency owners continue to own significant amounts of Shiba. We should start with the fact that Shiba recently had a significant price rise. And then there were a few sell-offs that followed. One anonymous wallet, for instance, transferred COINBASE 1 trillion Shiba tokens, or $10 million worth of value. The fact that she is no longer included among the top 10 tokens possessed by the top 100 Ethereum whales is likely to make this aim look even worse to some. So it's understandable why some Shiba holders could be concerned that she's losing market share. However, a glance at the wallets of many of these Ethereum whales reveals that they actually still possess a significant amount of Shiba. They may not possess as much Shiba as they once did. Up to 18 trillion Shiba tokens, each worth $178 million, can fit in one wallet. That certainly doesn't resemble the pocketbook of someone who has lost interest in Shiba. There is also no need to worry about the Ethereum whales because they do not appear to have lost interest at all. Many other Ethereum whales have Shiba tokens worth hundreds of millions of dollars, which indicates that they still hold trillions of Shiba tokens individually. Furthermore, Shiba has been bought by whales. Some people can try to sensationalize news by pushing its sale. However, it must be denied that Shiba have also been purchased at good prices. Recently, a whale that had lain asleep made an astonishing $2.84 million purchase of 295 billion tokens. And almost simultaneously, a different wallet that had only been created a few days earlier bought a staggering 259 million Shiba, which was worth about $2.05 million. Nevertheless, acquisitions have been made. Not only that, though, experts also predict that all of these purchases will lead to a fairly spectacular price increase for Shiba Inu, so we should definitely be looking forward to that. Shiba, however, has already had a rather significant price increase, and it even managed to hold that increase, known in the cryptocurrency world as a green candle, for a time. Shiba Inu is reportedly confusing traders this morning with a job-breaking move to the upside, as at one point, an 8 gain was printed intraday in the Asia-Pacific session. This move higher came off the back of easing measures from the Chinese government, which let further loose its COVID policy in the hope for a soft landing in the U.S. as the U.S. job numbers showed a very resilient job market sentiment that might trigger a turnaround as the Fed is approaching its pivot. If you've been watching the movie since the beginning, you might be asking why a few whales sold off their tokens given how well the price of Shiba and burn rates have been performing. Well, it's possible that the rising price is what prompted those whales to sell off their tokens. We can't hold them accountable for that because they were presumably only seeking to profit from the price pump. The cost has just increased from one Shiba Inu token to another bone. According to reports, the token has increased by about 50s in the past 2 weeks, bringing it 1 cent closer to hitting $1. Once more, due to bones rolling in, people are now speculating as to whether the price increase could be related to the fact that she bought a newsletter and 2 solutions before burying him. Several people are now speculating as to whether the price increase may be related to she bury him. People are speculating as to whether this indicates that Barium is now trending on Twitter due to rumors that Barium is ready to be launched beyond the Shi barrier. It appears as though the stage is being set for a Siberian debut because more exchange platforms have been announcing the listing of both. Although the price of bone has been rising, you could want to take into account the fact that the trading volume hasn't any notion why this might be the case or where the price of barium has been trending. Please express your thoughts in the following comment box.
Examine the overall crypto market, however. Before we go any further, this station offers a daily giveaway of 100,000 Shiba for a chance to enter the competition. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment below with the hashtag Shiba New Good Luck. Since inflation hit, Bitcoin has not been able to hold its ground and has been falling as well. At one point, Bitcoin was thought of as an inflation hedge primarily because it is not impacted by what happens with fiat money and is not controlled by the government like every other cryptocurrency. Since Bitcoin and rates are two very different asset classes that have been in a bear market for more than a year, there's a wealth of data available for comparison. Comparing the top cryptocurrency with some of the most significant tech brands leads to a startling realization. Despite the fact that Bitcoin has actually been performing quite well, compared to Meta, which is the parent company of Facebook, Instagram, and other Zuck-owned firms, Bitcoin is holding up better. Meta made a significant investment on the metaverse. Since then, Meta shares have fallen precipitously, experiencing one of the biggest sell-offs in financial history. For those who are beginning to lose hope in the cryptocurrency industry, I guess this serves as proof that, despite the fact that nearly the whole financial market has been in decline, Bitcoin has been performing better than some other asset class up to this point. The FTX collapse undoubtedly did a lot of damage to the cryptocurrency market, with many investors losing a lot of money. Therefore, it would be natural if authorities from all over the world opted to carry out their intentions to regulate cryptocurrency. Some U.S. House lawmakers, though, are convinced that the government should not regulate cryptocurrency. The FTX issue, according to these House members, is dreadful, actually rather okay. However, it is a unique problem that has to be looked upon but need not have an impact on other crypto projects. In fact, they contend that the experience only serves to support their claim that the SEC's regulation of cryptocurrencies is capricious and ineffective. It's really intriguing to observe that certain government officials oppose governmental regulation of cryptocurrencies. We'll just have to watch to see how everything plays out. You could, however, express your opinions in the comment box below in the interim. This brings us to the conclusion of the video. Please like this video if you appreciated it, and don't forget to leave a comment in the space provided. I find that the YouTube algorithm is greatly aided by this. Additionally, if you can, spread the word about this news by sharing this video with as many people as you can.